Hi everybody, and welcome to another one of my tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to do the deployment of Windows 7. Right, in this first tutorial what we are going to try to do is install and configure the Windows deployment service. Okay, so first we want to go to Server Manager. So we'll click Start, Server Manager, and what we want to do is add a rule. Okay, so we'll go to Rules and we'll go to Add Rules. Alright, we click Next, and what we want to do is check the Windows deployment service box here. Now, in order to install Windows deployment services, we must have a DHCP server and our DNS server installed. Okay, and we click Next. Okay, we click Next again. Okay, we check these two boxes, the deployment server and the transport server box, and we click Next. Alright, and we click Install. Okay, so our installation was successful and we click Close. Alright, so we close off our Server Manager here and we go Start, we go Admin Tools, and we are looking for Windows Deployment Services. Okay, we expand that and we right click on our server, Configure Server. Alright, this is our requirements that we are supposed to have a successful installation of our Windows Deployment Service. Alright, you click Next. And we are going to save everything on our C drive because of the purpose of a tutorial. If it was in a real working environment, we would want to put our images on a different volume as the system is warning us here. Alright, we check these two because we do have a configured DHCP server and we click Next. Alright, I'm going to check this, respond to all known and unknown computer clients again because it is a tutorial in a different working environment. We may want to do something else. Alright, and we click Finish. So you're just waiting up here for our Windows deployment service to wizard to finish configure. Alright, we want to add our images manually, so we'll uncheck that and click Finish. Alright, what we want to do is add a boot image. So